11 years ago, when I was 14 years old, I heard the name of this country for the first time. My then English teacher was from Kigali, Rwanda, and told me so much about his homeland. He told me about the culture, the food, the Thousand Mountains, and its tragic history that only happened 26 years ago. Meeting this teacher made me become more passionate about making this world a better place. And I remember telling myself that I'm gonna grow up and make differences. It was also a reason why I studied French. Never had I imagined I would be actually visiting the country 10 years later. Definitely an unforgettable experience and a very emotional one.
I love you,